In the morning light so clear, He is risen, bringing cheer, breaking chains and wiping tears, casting out all doubts and fears. Through the valleys high and low, feel His love begin to flow. In His grace we're here to grow. Hallelujah, let it show. My Lord is risen, singing loud, lifting up above the crowd. In His mercy we are found. With His love we're heaven bound. Mountains move and seas do part. Feel His strength within your heart. Every day a brand new start. Faith and hope will never part. In the quiet of the night, feel His warmth, the guiding light. In His name we find our might, walking always with His light. My Lord is risen, singing loud, lifting up above the crowd. In His mercy we are found. With His love we're heaven bound. My Lord is risen, singing loud, lifting up above the crowd. In His mercy we are found. With His love we're heaven bound. Mountains move and seas do part. Feel His strength within your heart. Every day a brand new start. With His love we're heaven bound.